Can we turn old clothes into new fashion? Let's see. Welcome to EcoInnovaTech number 252. Today we're diving into the circular economy and how it's transforming textile waste into sustainable fashion. With 92 million tons of textile waste dumped yearly, this eco-innovation could change the game. Let's explore. First question, what is the circular economy in textiles? It's a system where clothes are designed, used, and recycled in a closed loop, minimizing waste. In 2025, EU pilots recycled 30% of textile waste, 27.6 million tons, into new fabrics, per the European Environment Agency. Unlike the linear take, make, dispose model, it keeps materials in use, reducing landfill pressure. Ex-users at Textile EU are raving about it. So how does it work? The process starts with collection. Think old t-shirts and jeans. Advanced sorting tech like AI vision systems separates fibers by type. Then mechanical or chemical recycling breaks them down into raw materials. A 2025 Dutch plant turned 1,000 tons of cotton waste into new yarn, cutting water use by 90% compared to virgin production. This sustainable fashion approach emits 70% less CO2 than traditional manufacturing. Next question. Why is this transforming textile waste? Globally, fast fashion produces 1.2 billion tons of CO2 yearly. The circular model could slash that by 200 million tons if scaled to 20% of the industry. It also creates jobs. EU estimates 15,000 new roles by 2030 in recycling hubs. Plus, it tackles microplastic pollution from synthetic fabrics, with 2025 tests showing a 50% reduction in water contamination. Let's look at real-world examples. In Sweden, H&M's 2025 Circular Hub recycled 5,000 tons of clothing into new garments, saving $2 million in raw materials. On X at H&M Green noted, "Our customers love the recycled line." Meanwhile, a UK startup, ReFabric, turned denim scraps into high-end jackets, selling out in weeks. If 10% of global brands adopt this, it could recycle 9.2 million tons annually by 2027. But there are challenges. So what hurdles does this face? Cost is key. Recycling tech costs like $10 million per facility. Those savings do start to show up in about 3 to 5 years. Consumer habits also lag behind. Only about 12% of people recycle clothes, according to 2025 surveys. And not all fabrics, for example, blends, recycle easily, so they need new tech. Still, European Union funding of $500 million in 2025 is really boosting adoption, with growth projected at around 15% each year. Let's zoom out for a moment. The circular economy could really redefine fashion as we know it. With textile waste, projected to hit 134 million tons by 2030. This eco-innovation honestly offers a lifeline. Scaled globally, it could cut 500 million tons of CO2 every year while fostering a sustainable industry. And it's not just about clothes, it's about building a waste-free future. Final question. How can you support this? Well, buy recycled fashion. Look for labels like GOTS or Fair Trade. Donate your old clothes to circular programs. And push brands to go green. Every action really counts. Would you wear recycled fashion? Comment below, like the video, and subscribe for more eco-innovation.